Hey fam, how are you today? This week has been rough. This week has been rough. This week has been rough, and I don't know if it's because we went to the 1.5 milligrams or if my school, a lot of people in school are not feeling well. And I didn't feel well this week. So I didn't feel well. Throat's been hurting off and on for the past 2 weeks. A little bit more stomach issues this past week. So it could be very well be a mixture, but this week has not been the best. I've been crazy tired. My husband yesterday asked me if I only like to take naps, and it's like, really? Like I don't feel good. I'm tired. So, and I guess he's used to me always, like, I work, y'all. I do these channels and then my job is demanding. So I do a lot of work, but this week has been rough. And so again, I can't really tease out whether that is the Trulicity and the new dose or whether that is stuff going around. So I don't, that's all I can give you this week on like symptoms. Like it's just been a lot of stuff. It's just been, that's all I got for you. I'm sorry. That's all I got. Let's see. Exercise. Y'all, I told y'all I was going to exercise when I finished my last video, and it was cold and rainy. So I was like, okay, I'm going to do it in a little while. I didn't exercise until yesterday. If you saw my short, I did 3.2 miles yesterday, just walking. I love to walk. Like and it was cold yesterday. Like I started at 21 degrees. It went up to, I want to say 23 or 24 degrees by the time I finished walking, but it was cold. So, and now my throat hurt more today. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but here we are. I did it. Food has been, it's been, so let me just talk a little bit about my husband is a sweetheart when it comes to making sure that I have food for the week. So like every week on Saturday or Sunday, he grills, or he typically grills me my meats for the week. So he's kind of my, help me get my stuff together as far as, so he grilled like some chicken last week. I don't know if I ate all of it. Well, last week he made chicken chili. But he'll grill, like this week, he's grilled me some pork chops. Not the best thing to have, honestly, but they're grilled, so I'm gonna eat them, okay? So, and then I'll have that, and I have some seafood, and then I have some sweet potatoes that I'll cut in half, and so I'll take a little bit of meat and a half of a sweet potato with me, or have a salad or something like that. So I'm not eating horrible, but like I'm not eating great. Last week I ate a burger one day. Mind you, I took all the bread off and really just ate the lettuce burger, and I just made a lettuce burger. So I see that I'm doing things a little different, even if I'm eating some of the same foods. I did have lasagna last week, and I had a third of the portion that I would normally eat. So I ate that, and then that was that. And that was my meal for the whole day. So, so that's pretty much how my food is going. I haven't, like I said, I don't want to, completely stop eating the foods that I like to eat, but definitely eating them more in moderation, and just taking it from there. And as you guys have seen, almost every week I've lost, let's say, a half a pound or more. This week is no different. So I'm just going to give you my total pounds. If you watch my other videos, you know that there's my total pounds with the 10 pounds or 11 pounds from the beginning. So you can take 11 pounds off because 11 pounds is not included in the Trulicity. But for my total pounds, I am now at 28.6 pounds. 28.6 pounds. So, everybody's like, do you see it? Do you feel better? This week is kind of hard to tell you that because, again, I haven't been feeling well. So, that's that. I want you guys to not only hear, though, my story and my experience. Like I said, it has been so great that this community has come together. We've had a few people come in and it's just like, why are you talking? Like, why are you putting that in the comments? But we've had a few people make some comments that help contribute to other people's success and make them happy. So I told you guys, I want you guys to hear those comments so that you can be encouraged or see that sometimes it's not for everybody. So I'm going to read a few. TT 2 weeks ago said, I'm starting Trulicity and on week 1, Felecia, you really helped me to get the courage to take it. Thank you for sharing your journey. Those kind of things make me super happy. Like I'm not doing this for no reason. This is Sandy Finley, and this was 4 weeks ago. I have lost 10 pounds in 8 weeks. But I've had side effects of severe constipation. I get nauseated the day after taking the shot for maybe 1 day. It's really working, but going to the bathroom is very difficult. Anyone on here had this issue, and what are you doing that works? Also, my blood sugars are awesome. So, hey, if you guys can help Sandy Finley with an answer to that, because again, this is just my experience. I can't answer everybody's comments because I haven't experienced all the things everyone else has experienced. Here's another one. Kendra Waterbury said, I'm 12 weeks in with Trulicity and have been vomiting every day, headache, and really bad dehydration. My husband is refusing to give me my next shot. Oh. I cannot keep anything down at this point. I'm only about 10 pounds too. I'm pretty sure my body thinks I'm starving to death. So I hope Kendra has got some help, has gone back to the doctor, has called somebody and tried to figure that out. But again, if you relate to any of these things, leave it in the comment. Leave your experience so that we can learn and share. And if you've had one of these types of issues where you've tried something and it's worked, hey, let us know that too. We may want to try it. I'm going to read one more. Someone asked me how much weight did I lose. Let's see. So we just have people that are starting. Boss Diva Barron says, thanks for sharing. I started today. So we want an update, Boss Diva. We want an update. So again, like I said, this is me, my journey. I am a doctor of education, but not a doctor of medical science. But I wanted to share how this is working for me. This is also a lifestyle channel, so you'll start seeing a few things that are different as we go along. I'm going to show every Sunday when I take my shot. I'm going to share with you what's going on with that, but I'm also going to be hoping to add some other things in, just lifestyle wise, what I'm eating, those kind of things, so that you can actually see it. Of course, y'all know when I go out and exercise, when I try to do a little quick video snippet of that so you guys can see that as well. For those of you who have not seen the shot, please, you can go to my other videos, and I am right by this window. So it's making it a little hard for you to see the shot, but here there is a unlock button. And with that, you're checking for the medicine, which is here in this clear part, making sure there's no particles, anything like that. You're going to move your lock to unlock. So we're going to twist, one little twist there. Somebody mentioned yesterday to stop putting my top on and off because I can mess up my needle. So I am going to hold that on for a second. And then, like I said, I have alcohol swabs, everything that I use, all the exercises that I'm engaging in or supposed to be engaging in, I am putting down below so that you guys can see that. from here, and I just put the alcohol swab on my belly. Now, again, you can try this in 3 different places: your arm, your belly, or your thighs. Y'all saw me try my thigh. I ain't doing that again. So if you want to try that, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay, so now we have our top here, and we're just gonna pull our top off. Oh, that medicine is already dripping like, hello, let's go. So I'm putting it on my belly, you guys, and then I'm just hitting that button. And then that is it. Like, you heard that second click. That second click means that the medicine has been administered. I always put the top back on. I have a Sharps thing that I keep these in. I'm waiting to finish a laundry detergent bottle so I can throw them all in like we talked about a couple of weeks ago. I'll throw as many in as I can into a laundry detergent bottle, tape it up, and then put do not recycle on it so that we know what to do with our Sharps when we're done, so we're not just exposing other people or animals or whatever to our Sharps. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching another episode. And I will see you all next week. Blessings to you all.